Hello everyone, I am your Deepak. I welcome you all to your YouTube channel Excellent Academy. Your competitive excellence is our motto. In this session, I am going to brief you about the various competitive exams conducted by your Staff Selection Commission, that is your SSC. One of the important examination conducted by your Staff Selection Commission is CGL, that is Combined Graduate Level Test. Through this examination, SSC is going to recruit the staff for various Group B and Group C posts in ministries, departments and organizations of Government of India. The minimum required qualification for this examination is graduation. The another important competitive exam conducted by your SSC is CHSL, that is Combined Higher Secondary Level Examination. Through this, SSC is going to recruit postal assistants, data entry operators, lower division clerks to various departments of Government of India. The minimum required qualification is 12th standard. The another competitive exam conducted by your SSC is Multitasking Staff, that is MTS. Through this, SSC is going to recruit the people for Group C and Group D cadre such as Jamdar, P1, Daftari, Safaiwala, etc. The minimum required qualification for this examination is 10th pass. The another examination conducted by your Staff Selection Commission is Indian Meteorological Department Scientific Assistants. This examination is conducted to recruit the assistants for scientists in report making, documentation and lab works. The minimum required qualification is degree in science with physics as compulsory subject, degree in computer science, degree in computer application and also diploma students with electronics and telecommunication engineering background are also eligible for this examination. The another competitive exam conducted by your SSC is Stenographers Group C and Group D. The minimum required qualification for this examination is 12th pass. The another important competitive exam conducted by your SSC is SSC General Duty Constables. This examination is conducted to recruit the constables for Border Security Force, Secretariat Security Force, Central Industrial Security Force, National Investing Agency, Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, Central Reserve Police Force, Sashastra Seema Dal, Riflemans in Assam Rifles, etc. The minimum required qualification is 10th pass. The another important competitive exam conducted by your SSC is Sub-Inspectors in Central Police Organization. This examination is conducted by your SSC to recruit sub-inspectors for Delhi Police and Central Armed Police Force. The minimum required qualification for this examination is graduation. The another important examination conducted by your SSC is Junior Engineers. This examination is conducted to recruit various technical posts of your Government of India. The minimum required qualification for this examination is diploma or engineering in civil or mechanical or in electrical engineering. Another examination conducted by your SSC is Section Officers. Section Officers audit in various departments under Comptroller and Auditor General of India is done by your SSC. The minimum required qualification for this examination is bachelor's degree with at least minimum 50%. The SSC is conducting recruitment test for various posts of your Food Corporation of India. Each post is identified with specific qualification. To know more details about the required qualification, I request everyone to go through SSC website. With this, I am ending this session. If you have not still subscribed my channel, subscribe right now. Please don't forget to click on bell button for new videos. If you like my videos, like it and share it. Thank you.